Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in a rich text module in Hubspot. Whether you're looking to organize data better or enhance your landing page with key information, this guide will make it easy to do step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a neatly inserted table on your HubSpot landing page, ready to customize. First, open your web browser and go to the Hubspot website. Click the login button in the top right corner to access your account. If you prefer, you can sign in quickly with Google by selecting Sign in with Google and choosing your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. Next, head over to the navigation bar and click on Content. This is where you'll manage everything related to your landing pages and content. Click on Landing Pages to see all the pages you've created. Then select the landing page you want to edit and add a table to. Now it's time to add the module that will hold your table. In the left panel of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new module. In the search bar, type rich text, and when it appears, drag it onto your landing page canvas where you want your table to appear. Here comes the fun part: inserting your table. If you have a table in a CSV file, copy the data you need. Then go back to the rich text module on your page and paste the table. It should appear instantly. Once your table is in place, you can customize it. Click anywhere on the table to adjust columns, rows, and formatting. You can align text, change font styles, and tweak the appearance so it integrates perfectly with your landing page design. And that's it. You've successfully added a table to a HubSpot rich text module, giving you a clean and organized way to display your data on landing pages. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tips and tutorials.